Good morning. We are in February 2021, and I will explain how I do the cleaning, heating, massage, LCM, lid margin cleaning, to control the dysfunction of the meibomian glands, DGM, dysfunctional meibomian glands, which is a major cause of dry eye. The Deputy General Manager produces a budget or tear break time below. If the bud is lower than 10 seconds, it is convenient to perform the LCM. In my case, thanks to heat massage cleaning, I have been asymptomatic during the day for a long time, several years, and with slight discomfort at night. The heat massage cleaning should be performed 2 times a day initially, once in the morning and once prior to going to sleep. And if it gets better, I can reduce it to once per day. It is advisable to do the hot massage cleaning constantly for months or years if the boot is short. Cleaning is performed prior to applying heat, because in doing so, the grease that is secreted by the heat massage is distributed across the eye, rather than being eliminated through the cleaning process. And also make sure to apply the heat massage fat on the clean eye area for optimal results and maximum comfort. I will do it in front of a mirror to verify that I do it well, that I massage on the white surface, among other things.
Thanks a lot.
For the purpose of cleaning, besides the mirror, cotton pads can be utilized on closed eyes, or wipes can be employed for this task. Wipes for closed or open eyes, the cotton swabs. Cotton swabs are not sterile and are not suitable for cleaning eyelashes with the eye open, and there may also be some fibers that are unseen and left behind. It is not recommended to apply neutral soap water, as it is unclear whether it will utilize physiological saline or sterile water for the medical procedure. Wipes are used to clean the eyelids on the outside and the eyelid edge between the lashes and the area that touches the eye without touching it. If there is dirt stuck to the eyelashes, a little cotton is moistened with saline solution to soften it with closed eyes. And it is more convenient and effortless to eliminate dirt using a wipe, as it provides a simpler and quicker cleaning solution. Cleaning phase. I utilize a wipe to cleanse the entire lash area from the interior to the exterior. From the interior to the exterior, encompassing both the lower and upper eyelids of each individual eye. And if my hand trembles, I lean on the other hand. On the other hand, it serves me on one hand to lower the eyelid, and on the other hand to prevent the towel from getting into the eye that has cleaning products. If we have hypersecreting fat eyes with dandruff everywhere and dirty and dense fat, the ideal would be to clean before and after the heat massage gently with a towel, without detergents and without squeezing, so that the liquid contained in the towel does not enter the eye. In hyposecretory eyes that produce dense and dirty grease, I clean the dirty grease before the heat massage to ensure that the good grease we remove is not eliminated along with the towel. If the fat were toothpaste-like consistency when massaging, you would also need to clean up after the heat massage. If we have anterior blepharitis, it is recommended to cleanse the eyelids and lash area using a gel such as Ectodol gel, Naviblef, Ocudox, etc., etc., while keeping our eyes closed, etc., etc. In order to do that, I spread the gel that was mentioned with my fingers and then apply it to both my eyelids and eyelashes. Tabs are crucial. I keep them for 60 seconds, then remove using water. It is important to handle with care. Material obtained during the phase of intense heat and energy. I will wear some beaded glasses. I will use some bead glasses from the pharmacy without a strap. Without a headband, it is because the headband is used to stick them to the head, which could result in the eye getting burned. That's why it's better to hold the glasses with your hands, as we will see. Well, I will use some bead glasses from the pharmacy without a strap that I heat in the microwave for about 15 seconds. You can also utilize a plug-in electric mask that is equipped with eye holes or lacks eye holes, and additionally features a temperature and time control that can be customized based on your preference and requirements. There are people who wear it for 10 minutes, 8 minutes or less, and always at a temperature between 43 and 45 degrees. Never more than 45 degrees. The reason for heating the eyelids from 43 to 45 degrees is to dissolve the meibomian gland oil that blocks its release. And how can I measure the temperature of the marble glasses? Well, by placing the bulb of a thermometer on top of them. This is how I measure the temperature. I see that it is in the range of 43, 45 degrees, and it helps me calculate the time in seconds for the microwave to heat the glasses. Heat phase itself. Eyelids heated 2, 10 minutes without burning. Tolerable dry moist heat 2, 10 minutes. I prefer the dry one because it retains the heat for a longer period of time. It is recommended to place paper between the mask and the eyelids. In this way. I placed the paper between my eyelids and glasses to prevent myself from getting burned and held it using my hands. I'm counting 120 seconds, 180 seconds. Although some individuals have additional time, 5, 10 minutes. Well, now we proceed to the most crucial stage, which is the phase dedicated to massage. Immediately following the heat phase, I commence massaging the upper eyelids initially and then proceed to the lower ones. I divide the ocular surface to be massaged into 3 parts, in close proximity to the nose, central area, and outer area. I make use of my index fingers to perform a massage on the eyelids, either directly or by using a rolling motion, either directly or by means of rolling motion. And more, I begin with the upper eyelids. I begin with the upper eyelids. To do this, I lift my chin, lower my gaze, and position my index fingers on the upper eyelids, specifically the outer region. I raise my upper eyelids slightly so that when I massage them 10 times, I do it on the white section. And I verify this by massaging over the white surface while looking at the mirror positioned in front of me 10 times. Then I place my fingers in the central region. I raise my eyelids, gaze downwards, and massage 15 times, ensuring that I massage over the white region adjacent to it. Next, I position my fingers close to my nose, slightly lift my eyelids, and massage 10 times, always ensuring that I perform the massage over the white area. To aid me in this process, I utilize a mirror. What is the reason for massaging the central area of the eye for a few additional seconds compared to the areas on either side? The central area requires more attention and stimulation due to its role in vision and overall eye health. Because we usually look straight ahead, we spend more time looking straight ahead than looking sideways, and those glands must always be in better condition. I insist, won't tire, never. We raise the upper eyelids to always press on the white, never on the cornea. And I verify this by examining my reflection in the mirror, which I will position near me. Well, let's proceed to the lower eyelids. Below the chin, I raise my gaze and apply pressure to the eyelashes approximately 10 times per area, except for the central area where it will be 15 times. 15 times. I always verify that I massage on the white surface due to the presence of a mirror in front. Then the central region and subsequently the area in close proximity to the nose underwent changes in the study. 10, 15 times, 10 times. I do roller. I prefer to do roller. It can be done by pressing directly or by doing roller. I do roller because, in my opinion, it facilitates better the expulsion of the fat that blocks the glands. More things. A gland that is atrophied, that does not contribute fat, is seen in mammography as a short white worm. If the worm is twisted, but it is long, it indicates that the gland is inflamed, but not atrophied. If you possess a myography, it is recommended to apply more massage to the areas that are inflamed. This is best asked to the doctor. Well, what is the recommended pressure that should be applied when massaging? The criteria is that it should not be bothersome. Initially, you must apply slightly more pressure, particularly if the fatty deposits on the eyelid edges are noticeable, which will be observed. And then after a while, months, enough pressure to be able to expel the fat that is obstructing their wounds. Every individual must adjust the LCM cleaning heat massage to their own circumstances. Those who can't handle the heat can wear it for a shorter time or use a plug-in mask with eye holes to mitigate discomfort and protect their eyes. Another option is to warm up by rubbing the palms of your hands for a couple of minutes. Even we don't even get warm and go straight to the massage without any delay or hesitation. In fact, when the doctor squeezes our eyelids in the slit lamp to see if any fat comes out, we do it without prior heat at room temperature. There will also be people who clean it at another time to avoid increasing eye irritation in case of atopic dermatitis or another cause. Cleaning, heat, massage in case of styes. We must be attentive to the slightest pain or pressure in the eyelid if we have a history of styes. Do not wait for the stye to come out. You have to do the cleaning 3 times a day, heat, massage, only in the area where it hurts or feels pressure until it stops hurting, and spend time cleaning, applying heat, and massaging 3 times daily. In this case, it is good to use Okudox to clean the eyelids and eyelashes on the outside. If the prevention of the stye is not resolved, it is best to go to the doctor. If there are white balls present at the exit of the glands, it is advisable to make an appointment with an ophthalmologist. However, in the event that the consultation is not immediate, we can make an attempt to clean those white balls at home by applying localized heat. Only make contact with the eyelid that is affected by using Estila Forte heat wipes for optimal results. At the beginning, do it intensively for 4 days and perform the cleaning heat massage 3 times a day until the little balls are gone. If it takes over 4 days, you must see an ophthalmologist. The massage will be with gentle local pressure, as if you were going to pop a pimple from bottom to top, pressing the eyelid edge. Then, using a hard towel, gently rub the corner of the towel over the white bump in a circular motion, with the corner of the towel positioned over the white ball, and repeat the cleaning heat massage process until you see the grease flowing. Insist as many times as necessary, a minimum of 3 times throughout the day, trying not to irritate the eye. If you get irritated, stop and continue another time. Another important issue. Is there a risk of keratoconus from cleaning heat massage? No evidence that heat in heat cleaning massage can cause keratoconus has been found. Additionally, we lean on the ladder on the white briefly and we don't press too firmly. Another thing is in case high temperatures exceeding 45 degrees were utilized, which could potentially enhance an already present keratoconus or any type of ectasia. Ectasia is an increase in the curvature of the cornea, as is the case with keratoconus. Another question. What contraindications does heat massage cleaning have? It is not recommended for individuals who have intraocular lenses or corneal ectasias, including conditions like keratoconus. And it is also contraindicated in pathological myopia, which refers to myopia of more than 8 diopters, those exceeding 8 diopters, and cases where there are also accompanying changes in the retina. LASIK surgery patients should consult their doctor, but as a general rule, they should exercise greater caution, as it is crucial that heat does not come into contact with the eyelid. Putting a piece of paper or utilizing the electric hole mask or employing a seed one, making the eye hole with the fingers. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude to the individuals who have collaborated on the content of this video. Greetings from the Spanish Association of Dry Eye, and see you later.